Hello everybody, like making the AJ. Welcome back to another video. So like I said, I'm playing the game for the facility. So yeah, so for the PC, shift is down, it's crawl, interact is E. I don't know what's right. Alright, I actually do like what they did there. Alright, let's go vote. Matt vote. I like the abandoned facility. That's a good one. No, okay, fine, whatever. Will you? I like me better when I win. No. Oh, okay. No. Dies. You are a survivor. Hide from the beast. Do that for it. Okay, so shift. I like get used to that. Okay, so I gotta go look for a computer to hack. Say here with me. Alright, let's make noise and open the doors. Stay with me. No. Guys, the beast was there. Is my volume on? I don't even know. I got. No. Where is it? Okay, I'm not gonna open the door. Wait, I think that's just something. Yes, I got a computer. Do this again, because I messed it up the first time. Yes. I need to get out of this view. It's bothering me. Alright, let's open this door. Is there a computer in here for me to hack? Nope, but there are lockers for me to hide in. Oh, so these are cabinets or whatever. Sorry, but I gotta leave you. I'm gonna die. Any computers in here? Yes. No. No. No! Help me! No! I'm going to die now, guys. No! No. No. I need to run this way. As soon as I get out, you can go over there and get captured. Alright, there. Ferlino got frozen, so let me go hide. Actually, not gonna make that too obvious. Oh, where's it? I was about to die. Like, not literally, not like in the game die. Like, in my mind die. Mentally die. Because I thought that, the beast was there. Okay, I gotta hack this computer. Good. Come on. No. I'm hacking the computer. I actually like what they did with the, they did, flooring or walling or whatever. You all know what I mean. But yeah, so let's just keep going. There we go. Yay! Only one more left and we escape. Oh no. Yes. One more. There's one more computer. I think it goes in there already. What's in here? Here it is. Here's lost computer. Hack. No. Yes. If I escape in time, I got to. Girl, come help me! Wait, do this right here. I need to get out. I need to get out. Dude, go get the girl over there. The heck? This was a stupid idea of me to go in here. Oh well. I'm gonna do it anyways. Oh god, this again. Alright guys, this game scares me. Because you need to find. I need to open that door. Only if I could escape from there. Oh, I need to hack it. Nope, no. No. Oh god, I think I'm like the only person left in here. No! Oh, no. No. Ah, you can't give me. No. No. Yes. Go. I'm stuck, guys. Oh, left the game. Well, I failed to flee the facility. Okay. Well, you know, guys, that's this video, and I'll see you